Apple has just dropped one of its strangest and most expensive accessories yet, the iPhone Pocket, a designer pouch for your phone that costs more than some people's entire outfits. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Yes, you heard it right. Apple has teamed up with Japanese fashion designer Issey Miyake, the man behind Steve Jobs' iconic turtleneck, to create what's basically a knitted pocket for your iPhone. And it doesn't come cheap. The short strap version will set you back $149.95, while the long strap one costs a jaw-dropping $229.95. For what Apple calls a piece of cloth, that one's a pretty pricey piece of fashion. Still, it's undeniably stylish. The iPhone Pocket comes in a range of colors, from lemon, mandarin, purple, pink, to peacock, sapphire, cinnamon, and black. It can be worn across your body, tied to your bag, or just carried by your hand. It's designed to stretch and fit not only your iPhone, but also a few small essentials. But while it looks sleek, some critics are already calling it an overpriced theft magnet. The pouch doesn't zip or snap shut, which means your expensive phone might be easier to steal. And since it literally advertises that there's an iPhone inside, it's not exactly thief-proof. Still, for those who want to mix tech with high fashion, or who just really love pockets, the iPhone Pocket hits Apple stores and selected boutiques on November 14th. It's limited edition, ultra chic, and very, very Apple. Simple, sleek, and ridiculously expensive. In short, it's the pocket you didn't know you needed and probably can't afford either. Still, do you want it? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.